Hey guys, I just wanted to come on here and say hello and also say goodbye because it is New Year's Eve, which means 2017 is coming to an end, and this for me has been one of the most blessed years I've had. I've felt the most happiest, the most myself, and the most confident that I'm slowly but surely developing into the woman that I would like to be in life. So I was very happy for all the growth and the lessons and all of the experiences I went through this past year, and I'm so excited to see where 2018 is going to take me, where it's going to take my channel and my career and my love life and my personal life. And just, I'm asking for so much prosperity this upcoming year, and I'm wishing it the same for you as well. I do want to insert some clips from the end of my 2017. I got to celebrate Christmas Eve and Christmas with my family, and it was one of the best I've had so far, I would definitely say. A lot of laughs had, and I figured I don't really show too much of my family and my personal life on that spectrum with you guys, so I hope you enjoyed this footage right here. We're starting new Christmas Eve traditions, and my mother decided 2017's new tradition is going to be sliding down this 93-foot slide, but the real joke is going to be when they don't allow her to go on. Alright, we'll keep you posted. 44 inches, we have passed the test. Yeah, we're good.
Blood rush in a hazy glow. My hands, your bones. Loose up, we break the scene. One step deep as you fall to me. Hot clap, we skip a beat. Count 1, 2, 3. And don't you stop the music, get into it. Won't you dance with me? Find a place and lose it. You can do it. Won't you dance with me? Move your feet and feel it in the space between. You gotta give yourself a moment. Let your body be. Downtown we let it go.
Okay.
Count 1, 2, 3. Don't you stop the music, get into it. Won't you dance with me? Find a place and lose it. You can do it. Won't you dance with me? Move your feet and feel it in the space between. You gotta give yourself a moment. Let your body be. Your name I'll never know as we get down in the road below. Caught up in an overflow. My hands, your bones. Wide-eyed, you look at me. Set on fire until the dream. Spin around, you can feel the breeze. Count 1, 2, 3. And don't you stop the music, get into it. Won't you dance with me? Find the place and lose it. You can do it. Won't you dance with me? Move your feet and feel it in the space between. You gotta give yourself a moment. Let your body be. We gotta lose it. 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 We got
chaos. It's just chaos, and we love it.
My name's Becky.
I'm actually heading to work on New Year's Eve. I'm bartending a private party, so hopefully your girl can pay her rent in the night. That is my goal. I figured I didn't really have anything too special planned, so why not make some moolah? I'm hoping to make a lot of financial advances in 2018, so let's start right now. January 31st, 2017. Let's see where the night takes us. Happy New Year.